Hi, this is Mark at Physical of Eversville, and in my practice, one of the exercise tools that I use a whole lot are kettlebells. And I get a lot of people that come in here who've never been experienced using a kettlebell, or they've been somewhere and used them, but they always haven't learned the correct technique. I've even had patients that have been hurt using them because they weren't using correct techniques. So because it's such a big part of my practice, I decided that this month we'd go over a few kettlebell exercises and how to do them correctly. Because number one, to me, a kettlebell is one of the best exercise tools out there. I think that it's, first of all, a kettlebell, for those of you who aren't familiar, it's just a weighted cannonball. It's been around for a few centuries. Okay? It's just some of these older tools are coming back into vogue now. But the benefits of a kettlebell is they're more comfortable to hold on. In some of the exercises, the weight is offset, which allows you to stabilize some of the joints better. And some of the exercises are just easier to do with holding a kettlebell versus a dumbbell. There's one exercise in particular that is my favorite and my go-to exercise, that I think is one of the best conditioning exercises that you can do, and that's the kettlebell swing. That is probably the exercise that most people have maybe heard of or attempted or have even done or are even working out with. But it's the first one in this series that I want to show you and teach you how to do, because with the kettlebell swing, it's important that you do it right. It's not an exercise that gets you hurt, it's how you do the exercise, so technique is important. So we're going to explaining how you do a kettlebell swing in the next session. But anytime that you start new exercises or something, like something that's weighted like that, make sure that you've gotten good instruction. Make sure you're doing it correctly. It's not worth getting hurt for. Okay, so you need to know how to do it, and it can be one of your best friends as far as a conditioning tool, and you can get a lot of bang for your buck just with one kettlebell. If you have further questions, contact us at physicaleveversville.com.